I just busted my ass rushing out of work. New York, Chinatown, baller. Let's go. Made it to the spot about finally after fucking. Oh wait, I forgot about Alex. We ran into Alex on the way here. New Alex with the vert, and he needed to get over here. Let's go look at some shit, right?
Hi guys, it's Goth MR2 here, and we're here at Daikoku, New York, in Chinatown once again. But this time, we're filming, and we have the owner of Daikoku himself, Stan, and his beautiful 88 supercharged AW11. So I get to have my car in spirit because I didn't come here with my car. So let's go check out what we got. Boo! Boo! Ghost to the goon! Ghost to the goon! Ladies and gentlemen, rest his soul. I see it, Celica. I'm using Kalon vocabulary for today. Sex appeal. I would this car. Don't take that out of context. Oh, to be rich. Like, what do you have to do to get to this point?
So my name is Graham. This is my 72 Toyota Celica. It was a one-owner car. I'm the second owner of this car. It had 75,000 kilometers when I bought it. Its original home was Kanagawa, Japan. I lived in Okinawa, so I had it shipped down to Okinawa. It was my daily driver out there for about a year or so. I rebuilt most of the under the hood stuff with the exception of the engine because it didn't need anything, and shipped it back here in August.
You think I'm gonna make friends tonight? You think I'm like girly pop enough for to make friends? All right, let's see. So cute. You think they'll wave to me? Oh, hit or miss. Your friends are my friends. You go everywhere with me. Ethan's here in spirit. I can hear his squeaky brakes from here.
I'll do your brakes right now, $500.
Done right. How many times do we see on the highway some just stupid fucking strips? Stupid strip. I'm trying not to make this a hate video, but the way here was awful. I wish people had like dome lights so you could see the interior because I'm a big interior fan. Oh, I'm gonna get epilepsy looking at that light for too long.
Oh, meanwhile, I just turned my...
Yeah, I know. You just fucking blinded the shit out of me while I'm looking at this.
Jeffrey got new wheels.
I can't see. Yep, I just got my vision back and now I don't. Like, I just stopped seeing the dots. I just, ooh! Oh, I love the S2Ks. I had an S2K once. Sex appeal.
Rich millionaire.
Skyline?
Wait, I see two Skyline.
Oh my goodness. I like the bumper on that Skyline. Would you like me to hold the camera? I will film you doing this. Okay. All right. Get it. Get it. That's behind me. I hope it wasn't cool.
Oh, yeah, now. You heard that beat, that funky ass beat?
Yeah.
That nigga done play?
I did.
Beat, 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 beat. It's not that blinding. Like, it's a little blinding.
Well, when you're up like this, that's what you do to me. The camera, it's in my eye level, so you just blind the shit out of me.
Skyline. You been on that bag.
No. Go let Alex say hi.
It has a little flashlight.
You want my camera?
So work with lighting. Work with lighting.
Well, I have to work with the only car
Hold on.
under the
Fucker is complaining.
Take my camera.
I got you.
Oh, your camera.
Dumbass.
Hi, guys.
I probably just flashed my tits. Oh, God.
Put that fucking Wii remote on.
Oh, y'all giving me an interview or
Yeah.
to the Fluffy Machine?
Yes, sir.
Fluffy Machine, what's going on? 2003 Mazda MX5 NB. That's me. A lot of people know me as Snails. What you want to know? What you want to know? Tell me how we going? How we gonna go? Oh, engine?
Yes, sir.
I ain't do that. Not a near, not a one bit. But stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. Lord God, let's take a little walk. One of 6 wide bodies in the world.
Okay.
One of 6. One of 1. I got the... No, they brought it forged. One of 1, built from scratch. Shout out to Prisma with the seats and the inserts to match. I got music in it, but we can't turn that on right now. I'm the guy with all the weird steering wheels. If y'all don't know, I'm the guy that be having the Timberland, the pot, the weird steering wheels. So if y'all see me, y'all see me. If you didn't see me, believe me. We got those. That's that eBay. That's that eBay material. I got these tail lights that nobody else got. I'm the only Miata out here with those running, I think.
Okay.
I ain't gonna tell y'all what tail lights they are. Maybe I might tell somebody if y'all hit me up.
What that goth girl doing?
Somebody's texting me that stands over there, and I need to buy car parts over. Skipping?
Oh my God, yes. Get all Joe.
I get to have my car parts. I get to have a working car. Ooh, Momo wheel? Get your ass out and get a fucking project car. I need more of you hoes here. It can't just be me. Where are my golf at? I can't be the only one. I need friends. As you should be. I love you.
Oh my.
What are you seeing? What I'm not seeing?
No, Hezzy.
You know he be playing. I hate you. I don't have brakes right now, so you guys pull out of me. Pull out of me. I'm getting all my insurance. It's so pretty.
I'm so sorry.
No, don't even say that to me.
I'm
Don't. He didn't bring the parts.
What?
He didn't bring the parts. He forgot. New York! 1 second!
Zoom the out, bitch. Back the away from me. Definitely one of my favorite locals out here. Like, these are definitely some fucking like million follower builds you see on social media, for real, for real. Shout out the K pop-up shop with the Alright, what's good? What's going on?
What's up? What's up? We outside, you know what I mean? A little bit. I did G12 fills, 00. You know what I'm saying? We outside, pick up my boy, we good. We got the Red 36 right here. First time here. It's a good vibe.
Oh, the vert?
Yeah, I got the vert right there.
Hell yeah.
So we outside, you know what I'm saying? The wifey, look. This is Jap meat. I ain't gonna lie, it's a Jap meat.
Yeah.
I'm more German. We on the German side, but we respect it. You know what I mean? It's all good. It's all good vibe. You know what I mean? We paid it full. You know what I'm saying? You heard?
Yeah.
Paid it full. You heard?
I appreciate your time.
Yeah.
What do you think about your night out with Daikoku Chinatown?
I really loved it. I'm kind of upset that I didn't get my parts for the car. But hey, I made new friends. I met new people. I had so much fun. No one can top Daikoku in the East Coast, and I stand by that.
On God, Alex, your turn. You
Yeah, I mean, 10 times better meats than like than everywhere else, I feel like. That's why I want to move back to New York, I swear to God. I met some new people, you know, talk with a bunch of different people that I wouldn't normally talk to every day, and yeah, come to Daikoku, bro. Best shit ever.
Best content team out here on the East Coast. We do everything right. You know, we walk around, we get the good shit. Hope y'all enjoyed the edits. Hope y'all enjoyed the aesthetics. Hope y'all enjoyed the vibes, the video, and all the fun stuff. Always a fun time out here in Daikoku, and we do these big ass drives to give you guys content like this only out here on the Invader channel.
Well, shout out to them. It's not a little club. It's a club that's coming up. My brain not all the way there. But I love y'all. Give me a dot. Put it in that camera. Bang. And we not playing around.
So appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.